Hey, what's going on, trade hackers? This is Chad. Just a quick update for you on my trades today. Um, let's take a look at my totals here. I posted it here in the Discord. Plus 699 green day, so nice green day. Only took about 30 minutes today. Took 4 trades, two mighty 90s, which were both losers. NVDA minus 285 and Facebook minus 20. The runners were my winners. ROKU plus 360 and Baba was a big winner plus 644. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the mighty 90s first. So market was strong. NVIDIA started pushing up here. When I got this volume pop right here, it was the third bar in a row that was higher here. So I got short right here, and it just kept pushing up. And when I got my second red bar pull back to right here, I got out. So it ended up being a loser. Facebook, let's see, Facebook right here on this pop right here. I went in small here because it did have a big green bar here as an upside runner, but I thought on this pop in volume here I'd get short, and ended up rolling over. And when it rolled over, it started to push down here. Got a second red bar. I got out. Ended up just being about a scratch trade. The runners, Baba was my big winner, and this is really what I look for. And this is primarily what I'll be looking for in the live stream in January. This green bar was higher than the first, and it really developed quickly. I missed it. Didn't get in. Didn't give me a chance to enter. Then it pulled back here. I got in right here. This bar was bigger. Rode it up to here. Was out of everything except one contract. When it pulled back here, I entered in 2 more contracts, and then got out of one when it pushed up to here for 10% on that one. And then when I got this pop in volume here, I ended up getting out of everything right here. So plus 644. ROKU, let's see, ROKU right here. So ROKU, this one was really developing quickly, and it was green most of the time, the second bar. And so I got in as it started to pull back here. It was changing back and forth from red to green. But I was the market was getting strong, so everything was pushing. So I got in long. It went against me. I added to it, believe it or not, down here. It's probably not ideal. I thought I had considered cutting it, but a lot of stocks were really pushing up. So I ended up adding to it right here. Got out of that ad as it pushed up here, and then as it I think as it pushed up to this pivot here, I think I ended I know what it was. When it broke highs of day, when it broke the highs of day, I ended up getting out of my last contract. I'd considered holding, which would have been good if I would have, but I ended up getting out. It didn't have a big green bar here, so for a runner, but considering I was down a few $100 and ended up being up a few hundred, I was just good to be back in the profits, and I cut it right there. So that's all. So 2 good days in a row here, a 900 and a 699. So I hope everybody has a great New Year's, and we'll see you next year.